Hey friends, if you wish to disable Tile Data Model Server on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to T because this list is in alphabetical order. Okay, you'll find the Tile data model server here. Now I don't have it on my system, but if you have it, you'll find it. And then right click on it and then select stop to disable it. And disabling it will be very important. Why will it be important? Because this causes high CPU usage and it also causes other problems in the system. Though it is necessary when if you need it for a certain program or an application. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.